Welcome to Mini Orange. Mini Orange provides single sign-on solution for Joomla site. As we know, this is the best OAuth and OIDC SSO solution in the market. So we are going to configure Amazon with Joomla OAuth client. Navigate to the system and click on the extensions. Search OAuth client under the search box. Select Mini Orange OAuth Client plugin and click on Install button. Go to the components and select Mini Orange OAuth Client. Then click on Configure OAuth. Let's configure Amazon as OAuth provider. If you don't see your application on the list, then select Custom OAuth Provider. Now, go to the Amazon console. Log in here with your Amazon credentials. Navigate to the Login with Amazon option and click on Create a New Security Profile button. Enter the required information in these text fields for creating the profile and click on Save button. Click on the setting icon and select Security Profile here. Go to the Web Settings and click on Edit button. Enter the callback URL from your Joomla site. Copy the callback URL from here. Paste the callback URL over here and click on Save button. Copy client ID. Paste client ID over here. Click on Client Secret button. Copy client secret. Paste client secret over here. And click on Save Settings button. Click on Test Configuration button. Now, we are going to configure the basic attribute mapping. Enter the email attribute from the provider side. Copy email attribute. Paste the email attribute. Enter username attribute. Copy username attribute. Paste the username attribute. And click on Save Attribute Mapping button. Copy the login URL and paste it into private browser. Let's see how it works. Paste the login URL here. Log in here with your Amazon credentials. Congratulations! User successfully log in using SSO. Mini Orange provide best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.